Hello, future food safety officers. Today we're diving into respiration and gas exchange, crucial for your exam and your career. Every living thing needs energy, and respiration is how cells make it. Think of it as the cell's power plant. Why does this matter for food safety? Microorganisms that spoil food also respire. Some need oxygen, some don't. Knowing this helps you choose the right preservation methods. Respiration turns food, like glucose, into usable energy, ATP, the battery for all cell activities. It's not just breathing, it's the chemical process inside cells that keeps us alive. Mastering this topic helps you understand both life and food safety. Ready to learn how energy is made and used? Let's get started. Respiration comes in two main types: aerobic with oxygen and anaerobic without oxygen. Aerobic respiration is used by humans, animals, and plants. It's efficient, breaking down glucose completely with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and lots of ATP. The key equation: glucose plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, ATP. This happens in mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. Anaerobic respiration kicks in when there's no oxygen. Some bacteria, yeast, and even our muscles during intense exercise use this. It's less efficient, producing less energy and different byproducts. Yeast makes alcohol and CO2, fermentation. Muscles make lactic acid. Remember, aerobic = more energy needs oxygen. Anaerobic = less energy, no oxygen needed. This difference is vital for understanding food spoilage and preservation. For your exam, focus on oxygen's role and the energy produced. Oxygen is the game changer. How does oxygen travel in our body? Through respiratory pigments, special proteins that carry oxygen in the blood. In humans, the main pigment is hemoglobin, found in red blood cells. It contains iron, which binds oxygen, giving blood its red color. Hemoglobin picks up oxygen in the lungs, becoming oxyhemoglobin, and releases it where it's needed. It also binds carbon monoxide more strongly than oxygen. Why CO poisoning is so dangerous. Other animals use different pigments, like hemocyanin, blue blood in some mollusks and arthropods. For your exam, remember, hemoglobin is the key oxygen carrier in humans. It's the oxygen taxi of your body. Let's follow the journey of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. About 97% of oxygen binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells. The rest dissolves in plasma. Oxygen is delivered to cells for energy production. Carbon dioxide, the waste product, travels back to the lungs in three ways: 7% dissolved in plasma, 23% bound to hemoglobin as carbaminohemoglobin, and 70% as bicarbonate ions. The conversion to bicarbonate happens inside red blood cells and is the main way CO2 is transported. This efficient system keeps our cells supplied with oxygen and removes waste. For your exam, remember the percentages and the main transport forms. Oxygen in, energy out, carbon dioxide out, waste gone. It's a perfect delivery and removal system. Gaseous exchange happens in two places: the lungs, alveoli, and body tissues. In the lungs, oxygen diffuses from alveoli, high concentration, into blood, low concentration, while carbon dioxide moves from blood to alveoli to be exhaled. In tissues, the process reverses. Oxygen leaves blood for cells, and carbon dioxide enters blood from cells. This exchange relies on diffusion, no energy needed, just concentration differences. Alveoli's thin walls and large surface area make the process fast and efficient. Understanding this helps explain how oxygen reaches cells and waste is removed. For your exam, focus on where and how diffusion happens. It's the swap that keeps you alive. Let's recap the essentials for your exam. Respiration releases energy from glucose in cells. Aerobic needs oxygen, makes lots of ATP. Anaerobic doesn't, makes less. Hemoglobin is the main oxygen carrier in humans. Oxygen travels mostly as oxyhemoglobin, carbon dioxide mainly as bicarbonate ions. Gaseous exchange happens by diffusion in lungs and tissues. Now a quick quiz. What's the main purpose of respiration? Answer: to release energy as ATP. Which type makes more energy? Answer: aerobic. What carries oxygen in blood? Answer: hemoglobin.